7:44. So we'll put that in the log of the TV transmitter, because I log everything that happens. I was watching a YouTube video and I was going to have a slice of cake with that video. Don't want to do that. I don't like if you have all the lights on, turn the lights off, you'll see that glowing fairly bright. Of course, my brother's flipping out for no reason. So yeah, another power outage vlog. And this microphone sucks, so I have to speak close to it like this. Anyway, I better bring that to the kitchen. It wasn't even raining. I don't know what happened. So we'll fire that up, get the computer going again, and that's where the transmitter is. I actually get a good signal that way. Yeah, it looks ridiculous, but it works. Let's go outside. So something freaking cool happened today. The guy's gonna get these tubes from me. This isn't the cool part. I mean, to me it is, but he might have the Philips Magnavox set I'm looking for. And this morning, he sent me the freaking, was it 40 something inch? RCA put out a really big HD TV, and he asked me how much it was. I mean, how much it's worth. And I was just straight up with him. I just said, I don't know. I said, not sure. That's annoying. Ooh, Firefly. Right there. I just saw it light up. Too bad I didn't get that on camera. Oh, there was one right there too. It's too zoomed in. I don't know what the hell's wrong with this stupid phone. See, it's barely raining. It was silent too. So last time it went out, transformer went up and just went boom down there. So yeah, and it came right back on at 5. Look. Come on. Do it again. Oh, look, you can see it. Look. There it is, hovering around right there. Nice. Pretty cool. Cool. Sounds like someone else has an outage and they're bitching about it. Glad we caught that on video. Nice. I know exactly who that is. It's that annoying freaking woman next door. I mean, next door to people next door. Look at the zoom. Whoops. What the hell is that shit? Anyway, I'm going back inside where it's a little bit cooler and less humid. Yeah, that set was 38 inch widescreen. The tuner is 1080i. Everything else is 720, I think. So yeah, it's just a video of me in the dark. So I'll be back later. It is 7:53. 7:55, we're back. Guess we'll respond to comments. Me too. I have a March 2002 Zenith 27 CRT TV. 1995 is not even close to the last. Well, we have another goof who thinks he's a know-it-all and read the comment and is responding to the comment and didn't watch one fucking second of the video. Just fine. I don't care if people don't watch my videos. No, that's a funny video. It's notifications, not subscriptions. Let's try that again. Look. Why the hell is it doing this? Oh, there it goes. We'll watch that later. Honestly, I'll probably not watch that one, but whatever. You. Put that video out a few hours ago, 3 hours ago. And I'm going to take my socks off because it's hot. Because I'm hot. I thought I had this battery at full capacity. And it's about to die. This video's stupid anyway. Hear that Sony autofocus thing in the camera. Makes this creaking noise. Speaking of Jordan, you could hear it in some of his videos when he used to record with a Sony Handycam all the time. Let's see where my charger, USB charging bank's at. Oh yes, 100%. Yes, it's upside down. Turbo power connected. Nice. Turbo power. Turbski. So that guy ghosted me all weekend, which is fine. He was busy, I guess. Not everyone has a lot of time to kill on the weekend. Thought about saying instead of not sure, I should say, I was going to say at least, after I sent the message, I was going to say, think about saying at least $100. So, the corners aren't really blurry. I didn't though. They had power like last time. TXU? Thought it was Encore. Well, if we run out of battery on here, switching to the crappy phone. It blinked. That came on. Did you see it blink? It almost came back on. It's not even that hot. I have my socks off and my pajama pants still on. Durgonder Husher Splusher. Used to have an air conditioner in the wall over here. My dad wanted it. He put it in my room. This Kenmore, but it was made by Amana, which by then was like a low-end Whirlpool brand. Oh yes. A lot of ladies watching Shango, huh? The gender and age range of people watching me are my own. What was it, 20-something to 30-something? Male. I switched to using that Keytronic keyboard, and I remembered why I retired it, because you have to mash the hell out of the space bar to get it to register. So just have it just puke a bunch of words up with no space. I unplugged the Magnavox TV. Hindsight is 2020. I should have just turned the whole power strip off before the power went out, because I heard of some Magnavox TVs not coming back on after the power comes back on. But if you see the other vlog, we turned it on and it was fine. I made more convergence adjustments. So I wonder if that guy, I've done business with this guy before. I sold him the Sharp and he had some guy come get it for him. And I sold him the 25-inch Sanyo. First sold him that GE tube, then the Sanyo. 8:53 Central Standard Time on Tuesday, June 2nd. So, I always get a nice chuckle out of this thumbnail. I can imagine Shango saying, "He's sexy." It'd be hilarious. He's done that before. Someone who's commented on my videos. Like, why the hell would you do that? I wouldn't even do that. Filter shorted. That was stupid. You have to be right over it. Let's do your stupid hand thingies. This is stupid. 9:10. Come on, focus, you stupid fuck. Okay, 7:45 to 9:10. Okay, let's see if this hard drive's dead or not. Sounds okay. Wow, that's really washed out on camera. The hell's the problem? It's never ending freak show around here. You look foolish. Yeah, I could come up with 10 different descriptions for that asshole we live with. So the hard disk sentinel says 29 days the hard drive's going to die, and it's been stuck at 22 for the past 2 weeks. I've already got most of my stuff on here off the drive. It's a 2 terabyte Western Digital, and so is that one, but the health is perfect. I was watching the Shango's video, the RCA Selectavision TV monitor, high-end thing from the 80s. We decided to have dessert too, so that happened, which was the plan before the power went out. Flux. So there's that video. Oh, that's right. Yes, my parents had that TV. That'll be in an upcoming video, not the TV, because I don't have it. Close out of that. That didn't play yet. Neither did that. And that one we'll have to restart that. So thanks for watching, and I'm gonna finish up the rest of my night.